Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some night vision goggles. How cool is that? So we're gonna give these things a try. Let me see. Oh, the scissors aside, but I need them. So this is the box here. Let's see. I'll show you guys what's in it. So we have our warranty and activation information here. We have our instruction manual. Comes with a nice, it's gonna be a nice little hanging strip to hang them by. If I can open it. Here we go. So it's going to be nice to clip them on. Warning security. That's kind of cool that it has a security thing on it, so you can pretend like you're security of some sort. A little cleaning cloth. The charging cord, which is going to be USB to USB-C. And the binoculars. I think that's everything out of the box, right? Let's see. Yep, that's everything. What is the triangle? Oh, inspection sticker. Okay, so let's open these up. Let's see what we got inside. So this is what they look like here. So on first glance, they look like night vision goggles. We'll peel off the protective covers there, and it looks like there's one in the front here too. Oh, it looks like it's got some sticky stuff on it, probably from this. But that's what it came with this for, right? How cool is that? So let's open it up and clean the glass. So, oh, boy, it's got a lot of film on it. Okay. But we will get that off there. Oops. Try to get it into the sink. So, okay. Well, I'm not going to get it perfect right now, but you get the idea. Spend more than 5 seconds on it and you'll get it clean too. Okay. Okay, so that's that. It comes with a tripod mount. We have an on-off tripod mount there, an on-off switch here, and this is going to be our charging port as well in there. So there we go. We can do that. And it comes with a little flash SD card here, and let's see, it is 32 gigs. So it's going to be able to record as we go as well. Okay. And then there's the on-off switch. It's like a back-forth switch. It's not a push one. So, and then we have this here, which is going to be the what's it called? Focus. And then we have buttons up here. We have mode, infrared, different levels. We have, I guess, playing it back again once you've recorded. We have our power there, taking pictures there, menu, and other settings there. Let's see what we got going here. Let's turn it to the on position. So there, it's in the on position. Now let's see if we push the power. Do we have to hold it down? There we go. You can kind of see. I don't know, can y'all see inside of there? Let me turn off my ring light. Oh, it's because it's zooming in on something. Let me zoom in on something here. Let's see. Where's the focus again? There's the door. So you can kind of see there's like something over there. So a box right there. Hopefully you can see that. I can. But it's got like different information in there as well. We can hit our menu option here, and I don't know if you can see all the different options in there. You can change your photo resolution, language, time, screensaver, screen brightness, all these things, and I think you just move with the little buttons on the top. So it has, you know, the date tag, night vision sensitivity, audio. So right now we are in the daytime. Let me go back out to menu. I'm not sure if it automatically recognizes nighttime. It looks like it's going to. So once we're in the dark, let me see if we can go into a dark room, and I will show you what it looks like in there. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to see anything in here, but you can see like there I have a little handle. This is inside of my bathroom, so I don't know what I'm even looking at here. Oh, the toilet paper holder. There's the toilet paper. We can see my shower, and it is pitch black in here, and I see this stuff bright as day. I mean, look at that. I can see everything in there. I mean, you guys, I don't know if y'all can see it, if it's focusing or not, but I can see everything. I can see my little hanging mirror. So everything. But look here, without it, nothing. Absolutely nothing. You can't see me either. So we are, there we are, now we are in the light. So this is what the bathroom looked like. That's what we were looking at there, that little toilet paper holder and some of that stuff in the shower. So how cool was that? So this is a really cool night vision. You could totally spy on anything. I mean, I won't be able to use it right here because I am in the city, and here in Dallas, our nighttime is pretty bright. But when I go out, and it's be great for hunters, or if you're into like ATVs and stuff like that, it'd be awesome. So when I go out to my friend's lake house, being able to check things out on the lake and stuff like that is going to be awesome. Seeing wildlife in its own natural habitat is good. Hopefully I'll get out on another African safari or something like that and be able to take this as well. It'd be super awesome fun for that. So super cool. I love it. Thumbs up for me.